Have you ever typed a letter in Word or Google Docs and wondered where does the text actually go? Let's pop the hood. When you type the letter, your computer doesn't see it sees a number, specifically an ASCII code. Think of it as a secret ID card for every character. You see the computer sees the number 66. These numbers are stored in a temporary holding area in your computer's brain called RAM. Imagine RAM like a giant wall of empty post-it notes. Every time you hit a key, the word processor slaps a new post-it note on the end of the wall. But here is the magic trick. What if you forgot a word? Say you typed "I like cats" but you meant "I like fat cats." In the old days, the computer would have to rewrite everything. Ow! It cheats. Watch closely. When you type the word "fat," the computer does not resort everything immediately. It just puts "fat" at the very end of the memory wall. Then, it draws a tiny arrow pointer from the middle of the sentence to the word "fat" at the end. It's like a treasure map. When you save your file to the hard drive, the computer follows all the arrows to stitch the sentence back together perfectly. I like follow the arrow to fat and go back to cats. Smooth. Right, so, the text is stored. But how does the computer know your font is Arial? Or your margins are 1 inch? That data lives in a secret room called the header. No, not the header on the page, the digital header at the top of the file. It's the rulebook for the whole document. Now, how does it change text? 2 ways. Method 1, inline formatting. This is how web pages work. If you bold a word, the computer wraps it in invisible glue. It says start bold and bold. You don't see the glue, but it's there. Method 2, the spreadsheet method. This is how Microsoft Word works. Word keeps 3 invisible Excel sheets in the background. The section sheet handles page numbers and columns. The paragraph sheet handles spacing and indents. The character sheet handles bold, italic, and font size. Word just looks at your cursor, checks the spreadsheet, and says, "He is in paragraph 3, so use single spacing." Okay, last stop. You formatted the text. How does it actually get to your eyes? The word processor sends a message to Windows saying, draw a capital at Times New Roman, bold, red. Windows speaks a universal language, but your computer screen speaks a different language. That's where the display driver comes in. It's a translator. The driver tells your specific graphics card exactly which tiny lights pixels to turn on and off. And when you hit print, same thing, but with a printer driver. It translates that into a pattern of ink dots. So, next time you type a letter, remember the journey. Your keystrokes turn into secret numbers ASCII. They jump around memory using arrows pointers. They follow a rulebook header and rely on invisible spreadsheets tables. And finally, a translator driver lights up your screen. Pretty smart for a simple text file, right? If you learned something new, hit like and follow for more tech secrets. Keep typing.